how to make your own bird seat very inexpensively. Instead of spending all that money on it, we're going to show you here on this show today. It's Papa Texas, and Maddie, where'd you go? All right, hang on, we'll get set up, and we're going to be right back and show you how to save money. Time and money. You like to save time and money, don't you? Yeah. Be right back. You need some corn chops or crushed corn. You need some Milo, and you need some black sunflower seeds. And that's it. I'm fixing to tell you the quantities to use for each one to get it mixed, and we're going to mix it up right here, and we're going to show you the end results. Stay with us. So the measurements are the cracked corn and the Milo. You use a whole, like let's say we take it down to real small, so you say a cup of each one of those, and then the black sunflower seeds you'd use 1/4. Okay, so every time you do stuff with the first two, you do 1/4 of whatever you did with the next. We're going to take a pot here and we're going to put it in this and blend it up. I normally do it in a wheelbarrow or 4 or 5 gallon bucket, whichever one I'm using, and I get it all mixed up. I'll show you at the end what I put it into, and I share it with my friends. 1 cracked corn, 1 thing of Milo, and then about 1/4 of the black sunflower seeds to whatever you measured these out at. All right, we're gonna mix it up. When you mix it up, you gotta mix it up like this. We'll get mixed up and we'll get it put in our container, and we'll show you the end result. I'm gonna show you one more thing. See how this opens up all by itself? Yeah. You don't need a second person holding that baggie open. This sucker does it. This is listed in my Amazon store if you're interested in checking one of these out. I think they're awesome. You sit there and you just whoop, just like that. All right, back to Papa. And here's what we put it in. We just bag him up like this, and we give him to friends and all that kind of stuff. And you say, Papa, how much does that cost you when you do it in bulk like that? 32 cents a pound. You like to save time and money? So's Papa, so's Maddie. Get you some. Awful easy. The kids have fun with it. You can do it. It's Papa Texas, mainly outdoor cooking or how-tos or helping you out. It's Papa Texas. See ya. Hit that bell! Yeah! Just to let you know, right here, this is what they turned out to be, and the amount we bought, except for half of the black sunflower seeds, made 22 bags like this. This is a gallon bag. Alright, that's what you got. Was that fun, Maddie?